Welcome to Fauna Crew, your go-to channel for exploring the captivating world of wildlife. Today, we're taking you on an exciting journey to discover the incredible wild animals of India. The mighty Indian elephant, a symbol of strength and grace. These majestic creatures roam the forests and national parks, leaving a lasting impression wherever they go. Next, we encounter the regal Bengal tiger, the crown jewel of Indian wildlife. With its striking stripes and powerful presence, spotting this magnificent predator is an unforgettable experience. Venturing deeper into the wild, we come across the elusive leopard. Known for their stealth and adaptability, these spotted felines thrive in India's diverse landscapes, from dense forests to arid regions. In the northeastern regions of India, we encounter the impressive Indian rhinoceros. With its prehistoric appearance and iconic horn, this gentle giant stands as a testament to the country's commitment to conservation. Moving on, we meet the shaggy-coated sloth bear, a unique and charming inhabitant of the Indian forests. The distinctive snouts and playful nature make them a delight to observe. Roaming the grasslands and forests, we encounter the mighty Indian bison, or gaur. As the largest bovine species, their majestic presence commands respect. Among the graceful creatures of the forest, the elegant sambar deer captures our attention. With their majestic antlers and distinctive calls, they add beauty to India's wilderness. Swinging through the treetops, we encounter the lively langurs. With their long tails and expressive faces, they bring joy and vibrancy to the Indian forests. And finally, we meet the resplendent Indian peafowl, a true symbol of beauty. Their vibrant colors and mesmerizing courtship displays add a touch of magic to India's wildlife. India's wilderness is a treasure trove of diverse and awe-inspiring wildlife. Join us on Fauna Crew as we continue to explore the wonders of nature, bringing you closer to the fascinating wild animals that call India home. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Fauna Crew for more thrilling wildlife adventures.